Apollo.
Apollo here is our 12-month-old Great Dane puppy. And he's out here today to help me tell all of you something very special about himself and all of his friends here at Pets Ahoy. You may have noticed that all of our animals are very unique and talented, but what you may not know about them, they've all been adopted from animal shelters and rescue facilities. Yes, thank you. Just like Apollo here, he was adopted from the SPCA right here in Orlando, Florida. The reason why we chose this big guy, he had all the right qualities that we look for. He's friendly, playful, outgoing, and he loves attention. Some of the same qualities that you would look for when choosing a pet for your home. All of our animals here at Pets Ahoy receive exercise, veterinary care, a healthy diet, but most important of all, lots and lots of love and affection. So we encourage you the next time that you're looking for a new friend, to please check your local animal shelters and rescue facilities